Hello and welcome to Learning Outside the Classroom. This is your host, Miss Jen. That's me. Today we are going to be making ice cream from scratch. I have a recipe here and it says we're going to need a gallon Ziploc bag, one, a quart Ziploc bag, two, but then when I always make it, I always put the quart bag in another Ziploc bag. This way the rock salt that you're going to add later to make the ice very cold doesn't get all over the ice cream that you're making. So to continue on, I've got some milk. You can use milk or half and half if you have it at home. Best to use something with a little bit of fat, though skim milk's not suggested because there's not that much fat in it. You'll get more of a ice milk than an ice cream. You can put any kind of flavor in it. You can put in vanilla flavoring or chocolate syrup or mint extract to make mint flavored kind, or you can make something with blueberries in it. You can put raspberries in it. You can put cherries in it. You can put any kind of fruit you might like, banana. I heard cinnamon in it is really good. So you can pretty much put whatever you would like flavoring wise inside your mixture. To make it your favorite. So the last thing that we're going to need, of course, is to make the ice cream is ice, which I have a lot here, and salt. Now the salt, you can use rock salt or table salt. Just use a little bit more table salt if you do not have rock salt. Rock salt you generally use if you're trying to melt ice on the sidewalk or the driveway. So therefore, if it's melting the ice on your driveway, it's going to melt the ice. So now what you want to do when you melt the ice, it's going to bring that temperature way down. So it's going to melt it almost to the point where it's melting the ice. So I've got some rock salt. Rock salt looks like this. This is generally something that your parents should be putting in. You should not be touching it. You can help with the milk and you can help with adding the flavoring, but don't do the rock salt. That's only for your parents. So let's get started. So my recipe says that I need my 2 Ziploc bags, my milk, my sugar. I almost forgot about sugar. You do want sugar in it because otherwise it's just going to be flavored milk, which can be good, but at the same time is probably not going to taste good. So you need sugar, but not very much. This recipe only calls for 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half a teaspoon of vanilla, because it's a small recipe, so you can double it or triple it. You can find one online that suits you. This one is for 2 servings only. It's going to be a very quick recipe. So basically what you do is you're going to be adding all of the ingredients into the small bag. So the milk, the sugar, and the vanilla flavor or whatever flavor you would like to put into it, you put in the small bag. I'm going to tape it closed and then put it in another bag and then tape it closed as well. Put my rock salt with my ice in this bag and then put them all in. After, I'm going to shake it and we're going to have fun shaking it. So I'll be right back. So now that I got all my measuring spoons and measuring cups ready, I'm ready to go. So it calls for 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a half a tablespoon of vanilla. So I'm going to pour that into my quart-size bag. This is where the kids get to help. They get to pour in the milk and the vanilla extract and everything else that's safe for them to touch. So there, I got my milk in. And now I'm going to put that's in the bag. I'm going to put my vanilla extract in. That's only a half a teaspoon, very little, because it goes a long way. There's that. If you get a little extra, it's okay. It just makes it more vanilla-y. And then now we're going to put in a tablespoon of sugar. Now our sugar's over here. Big jug. Take a tablespoonful of sugar. and pour it in. Zip it closed. Now I'll be back after I put all of the bags and tape them shut to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so I put the small bag, I mixed it around a little like this. I put tape on it and I put it into my other gallon Ziploc bag. Now the only reason I do that, like I said before, is just to prevent this from leaking out and then the rock salt mixture with the ice not to get inside your mixture, because salty ice cream just doesn't taste good. Now, this comes the part where it's just for the parents. The parents are going to open up the last Ziploc bag and they're going to add ice. I got mine from my freezer, my refrigerator. You push the button. However you get your ice out is fine. Moms and dads, you're going to put it into the bag. Just like this. And I got all my ice inside my bag. Now you're going to add the salt. They say 1/3 cup of salt. Use a little bit more if you're using table salt. If you're using rock salt, it's just a gauge. You just basically throw in what you can. And that will take the ice and melt it, because what you need to do when you're shaking the milk mixture is get the fat molecules and all the water inside the ice cream or the milk to crystallize. Once it crystallizes, that's where you get ice cream. So I got my rock salt and my ice mixed together over here, and now I'm going to put my milk mixture inside the bag. When I taped it up, I used what we had, which was electrical tape. You can use electrical tape. It's probably best to use not masking tape, duct tape, but we didn't have any. So just make sure you get the ends nice and tight, so that nothing comes out or nothing goes in. So now comes the fun part, the kids' fun things for the kids to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to shake. We're going to shake and 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 shake. Shake for 8 minutes, 9 minutes straight, or you could do 10 minutes and, stop, and then the moms can shake a little bit because the ice does get heavy after a while, and then check it. If it needs to be shaked a little bit more, keep shaking it. If it seems like it's been shook enough, then have at it and eat it. I'm going to shake it for a long time, probably about 10 minutes. It seems to get the best consistency, and then I'll be back to show you what the end result is. Oh, last thing, if your hands get cold, wear gloves or something on top, of course. Still shaking it after 5 minutes, and I had to add it into another bag because the other one started to leak. What I've noticed, if you use like ShopRite brand or something else, which is all we have, sometimes they leak a little bit more than if you use like Ziploc or a name brand. Not that I'm saying run out and grab another one, different kind, just because you don't have it. You can use the ShopRite kind, you just might need to line it again with another bag, and that's fine. I just checked it. I opened up both bags. It's getting hard, but I gotta keep on shaking. Probably another 5 minutes. So it's basically done. It's turned into more of like a soft serve. If you want to go a little bit longer with the shaking, you can try to get the hard stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to open up the bag. I took it out of the ice water. And now I'm going to take it out of the one Ziploc bag. That can get thrown in the garbage. And now I'm going to open up this bag and show you all what I made. Let's see, there we go. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Sorry, guys. So there's what I made. It's this like consistency of like a icy cream milk, ice cream kind of thing. So I'm gonna try it and see what it tastes like, and then the rest of my family and I are going to enjoy it later in the evening at dessert time. Take 1 scoop just to try it. It's pretty tasty. Probably needs a little bit more vanilla extract and a little bit more sugar to taste better. It is because it is whole milk and not half and half or cream. Cream and half are probably the best thing that you should use to make it, but I didn't have any. So it is a little bit more on the icy consistency as opposed to the creamy consistency, but it does taste pretty good. So for a homemade treat that took, what, 5 minutes or 8 minutes to prepare and 10-15 minutes of shaking to make ice cream, there you go, you have it, your homemade ice cream. Enjoy, everybody. Miss you guys. Hope to see you very, very soon. Enjoy.